out of here. Still came in here. Herbie, don't you come in here.
Good morning. Here's Clover. Today we're gonna go for a walk and we're gonna give him a bath because he's kind of stinky and he needs a bath. I groomed him before his walk because I just wanted to get him all groomed before his bath because he's got like mats and stuff. So this is what I took off of him this morning. He was not feeling it, but he'll be much happier after his bath. So those of you who want to get a long-haired dog, this is what you'll have to go through before a bath, like groom before bath, because then it accentuates the mats if you wash with mats. So yeah, sorry Clover. I was playing Animal Crossing, but I gotta go. Oh, it's almost 9 o'clock, almost time for the shop to open. I might check it out. I want to clean up the house today because it's looking, well, it's not looking bad. It looks fine, but it's just there's like hidden dirt everywhere. So I'm gonna see if I can get some stuff clean so that I can feel good for the weekend, you know, getting ready for the weekend. Well, look who survived getting clean. It's Clover Dog. He looked at me like I betrayed him, but he's fine. The last time he had a bath was the last time you guys saw me giving him a bath, which was like, was it a month ago or something? So he was quite stinky. Hello. Hello. All right, I'm making a quiche for the very first time and I'm super hungry. So it's spinach, bacon, cheddar quiche. So hopefully it'll be tasty. 45 minutes in the oven. Okay, while that's baking, we got the Roomba running. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's certainly super loud. It's time to clean all the linens, at least in the bathroom. So, yeah, so we'll do that. I think the rug could stand to go through the wash and definitely the towels. So we're gonna do that. And we're gonna clean the bathroom because I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry, you guys. Also, the oven door is filthy. Shame on me. Well, I'll clean it next week, I guess. And all of the masks have been washed and are drying on the hanger. So hopefully we'll have clean masks. Well, they're clean. They'll be dry by the end of the day, hopefully. I don't have toilet cleaner anymore, so we're using dish soap today to clean the toilet, which is suspect, but I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna just quickly vacuum in here, and then I noticed that when I go with the floor with my cloth manually, it picks up so much dirt on stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the floor with my hands like Cinderella. So here we go. Oh my gosh. All right, no.
What an overachiever. I mean, saw I was in here. Still came in here. Herbie, don't you come in here. No, no, you turn your little robot butt right around and get out of here. Get out, get out. Get out, 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 out. No, no, no. Bye. Bye. All right. No.
Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. You shine brighter, brighter than a diamond. Your shine's lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. We can't get enough of the weekend.
All right, it smells nice in here. The shower is the only thing I didn't do, but I'm gonna clean that when I'm in it tomorrow because that's how I roll. I clean and I get myself clean at the same time. So I think I'm just gonna shine the chrome here because it looks real bad. So I got some glass cleaner here. Let me grab another cloth and shine the chrome real quick. Almost time for the quiche. I'm so hungry. Okay, it's done. It looks maybe like what happened. Like we had a little like explosion on the side here, but it's done and I'm super hungry. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes and then I'm gonna dig in because I'm so hungry.
Okay, here is the first slice. You know what? It doesn't look that bad. It looks kind of tasty. Look at all the little like air holes or pockets and everything in the bottom. Looks done. Let's take a look. Oh, it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna eat this because I'm starving. But yay, first quiche ever.
Alright, I took a break to play Animal Crossing to go sell turnips in my friend's town because there's 531 bells and I need some bells. So had a nice voice chat during that, really fun, made a new friend, and people's Animal Crossing towns are just amazing and mine is a work in progress. So now that I've taken my break, I think we're playing for like a half hour. I need to get back to the housework. So let's get back on it. Oh, look who has woken up. How you doing? Huh? Oh, you're almost dry. You're really close to being dry. You're looking very handsome and clean. Yes. You smell good? Wow. Why don't you go back to sleep, huh? Oh, you're still wet in the face here. You're looking very good though. Good clean boy.
Still got the time. I like to stick around. I'll make some coffee, let's take a walk down to the sea. As the sun goes down, we light a fireplace, and we can stay as long as we want to, you and me. If I could stop the time, I surely would. In this moment, I really wish I could. I hope you're feeling the same way as I do.
Okay, bedroom is dusted. Still waiting for the sheets and stuff to dry. I like solved some little problems with cords over here and now it doesn't look nearly as crazy. But it's like 4 o'clock right now, so still have a few more hours of daylight. And then it'll be the end of the day. So I think next I need to put my clothes away. Oh my gosh, I'm so like oily and sweaty. I need to put my clothes away from the laundry. So maybe I'll do that while I'm listening to Dr. Kirk Honda on Psychology in Seattle. If you guys watch 90 Day Fiancé and you guys are not watching Dr. Kirk Honda react to 90 Day Fiancé, I don't know what you're doing with your life. I will link him down below. It is addictive and I'm learning so much from him. He's a relationship therapist and he watches 90 Day Fiancé and he comments on it and he's freaking brilliant. I am like addicted, hardcore, watch his videos. He doesn't need any promo from me because people just watch him, but like I'll link him down below because, you know, I want to share the love of Dr. Kirk Honda, and plus he's actually super cute. I have a crush on him. Okay, I'm gonna put my clothes away. Give you ice cream. Yeah, he's very generous with you and your treats. Yes, he is. Oh, look at you. You're like mostly dry. You're very soft, and you smell amazing. Okay, let mommy put her clothes away. You gonna sit here while I do this? Okay. See how long you stay here then. Okay. Oh, you're falling. You're falling. Okay. Bye.
In the alleyway, crazy how the melodies began to play. Yeah, tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric. Yeah, my heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm.
Okay, clothes are put away and the closet is okay. I'm definitely not done like working in there. I wanted to order some more stuff for the closet, just like maybe, I don't know, like maybe a mirror or something. But we are almost done cleaning the house, waiting for the bedding to finish drying, and then we will probably be done. Or I got dishwasher to empty. Darn it.
Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm.
Okay, bathroom has been done. I shined all of the chrome. It looks really beautiful. Ooh, ah, oh. And the bed is done, and I polished all the glass on the shelves where the plants are. So I think I am done cleaning the house for the day. I'm gonna like set the mop to go, and that'll be like the final hurrah. But I hope you enjoyed this week's, I guess, Quarantine Chronicles, because that's what we're doing. And I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro.